Hello, I'm Kate and I'm here to boost your CatBoost knowledge. Today we'll talk about ways of interact with CatBoost. There are many ways to interact with CatBoost: Python, R, Spark, CLI. We have lots of tutorials on how to use CatBoost with Py and R. And today I'm going to tell you about CLI. Why would anyone need to use CLI when there are such powerful and comfortable ways like Py and Spark? We believe that for many existing processes, especially written in script languages like Bash, using CLI could be an easiest way to add CatBoost in an application. What can we do with CatBoost CLI? First of all, it is really easy to use. Prepare your data in delimiter separated values format and pass the data files paths to CatBoost as parameters. All parameters of the CatBoost training process are available in CLI. Also, parameters can be passed through the JSON config file. We see the basic learn process example in CLI. On each iteration, there are errors on learn, on test, total time, and remaining training time. Fitted model is saved in file model.bin. Also can be saved evaluation on test result, learn and test error logs, snapshot, feature importances, and some other files. You can specify logs period or completely eliminate logs. Obtained models can be easily applied. You can get feature importances, model properties, submodels, and other. More information and examples you can find in our command line interface tutorial and in our documentation. Good luck!